Namaste, everyone. I'd like to welcome all of you to join us tomorrow night, past midnight, on the Vesak full moon meditation, the most powerful full moon of the year. Okay, so just to schedule it, it's Wednesday night, California time, past midnight. We'll start at 1 a.m. 1 a.m. We're going to do our cleansing exercises. We'll do a short lecture on the Four Noble Truths and Eightfold Path that's taught by the Buddha to purify our mind, our emotions, so we're ready for the 3:15 meditation. So 3:15 a.m. we're going to meditate for the entire hour, 3:15 all the way to 4:15 and longer. So you're going to go, really, can I do that? Yes, all of you can do it. You do the proper preparation, you sit down, you're going to feel the energy. It's one of those sacred moments for your soul's development, okay? So I hope you can join us. It's free. Give a donation if you want to. Nevertheless, just go to pranichealing.com, pranichealing, pranichealing.com to register. Okay? So a few things to remember. What you want to do is, before the meditation, before you even join us at 1 a.m., you want to just take a shower with some salt, find salt, or take a saltwater bath. This is to purify and distribute a lot of the stress energies and maybe negative thoughts and emotions, and you've been slimed by someone. Just flush it out. That way, when we do the exercise and meditation, the energy can flow smoothly. Okay, and then also make sure you write down all your goals and aspirations, projects for the coming year. Want more money, better finances, better relationship, better health. Write it all down, because after the meditation, with so much energy flowing through us, we're going to channel a lot of that excess energy. Instead of just let it sit on our aura, actually aim it at the projects and charge it up one after the other. Okay? We've been doing this every year for over 20 years now, and people always tell us, wow, that was amazing. I didn't realize I could reach that high in meditation. Okay? The nice thing about this is you got millions of people meditating at the same time. So you can imagine the amount of energy generated all over the earth, and the earth needs it. So we're going to take that energy, bless Mother Earth with it, okay? Now, another thing is this. A lot of people say, oh, I noticed that somebody else is guiding one. Let's put it this way. There are many organizations meditating at the exact same time all over the world, okay? Millions of people are meditating. It's just like different pipelines. So, some of my colleagues in Panicking are guiding one. So it's up to you which one you want to join. Some of them will emphasize more on the meditation. Some of them will meditate together just for a short amount of time. So if you decide to join us, what we do is we have the first lecture, to keeping with the tradition of what the Buddha taught, Four Noble Truths, the Eightfold Path. From there, break, and then super duper meditation for 1 full hour. And here's the thing. The peak is 3:45. So we start at 3:15. The whole idea is by the time you get to 3:45, you're in such stillness. That's the exact time of the full moon. When the opening happens, massive amount of spiritual waterfall comes down, and we're there as a vessel to catch all of it. I hope you can join us. Namaste. You guys take care. See you then. God bless.